Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera to my friends and my lecturer, Madam Rohainah binti Jaafar. My name is Sarafatin binti Rahim from BMMP, Session 1, Group 1, and my matrix number is B0921109494. Today, me and my friends, Muhammad Azam bin Sheikh Ahmad, will be represent our progress on Lab 4, Introduction to AC Fundamental Circuit. First, I will represent on how to get the value of capacitance of RC circuit. As we can see, this is the circuit that I've created on Multisim apps for RC circuit based on lab sheet 4, figure 4.4. In this circuit, the frequency was set on 2 kHz and we can see the reading of voltage after we run the circuit. Based on the graph, we can see the value of voltage output, which is in blue line, and the voltage input in green line. Next, I will show the way to get the phasor angle for capacitance 1 micro frequency. For the simulation, we can use the formula delta T divided by period times 360 degree. From the multisim, delta X is represented as delta T. The value is 92.27 microsecond divided by 500 microsecond times by 360 degree. The phasor angle that we get is 66.43 degree. And for calculation part, we can use the formula shift tangent XC over resistor. And before we calculate the phasor angle, we should find the value of XC. We use the formula 1 divided by 2 pi times by 2 kHz frequency, and the capacitance is 1 micro. We get the value of XC is 79.58. From here, we can insert the value of XC into the formula, which is shift tangent divide times by 79.58 divided by 33 ohm resistor, and we get the value of phasor angle is 67.48. The same method can be used to find the phasor angle of capacitance 0.33 micro and 10 micro. The simulation for RL circuit will be presented by my lab partner, Muhammad Azam bin Sheikh Ahmad. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Azam bin Sheikh Ahmad. My matrix number is B0921105559. And my partner is Sarafatini binti Rahim. Her matrix number is B0921109494. So now I'm going to explain about Lab 4, Introduction to AC Fundamental Circuit. And just now Sarafatini just explained about the RC circuit. So now I'm going to explain for RL circuit. So this is my graph. This is my circuit that I did on Multisim, and this is the graph that I get from Multisim also. And now I'm going to show you guys about how to get the simulation and calculation for the inductance. So this is how you get it. The formula and the ways to calculate just same. As you can see, for simulation you just have to. Okay, now I'm going to explain about simulation and calculation for inductance 3 milliamps. Okay, for simulation, you can use the formula delta T over period times by 360 degree. As you can see, that is my value that I get from my graph. Okay, now you can see that 99.701 over 500 microsecond times by 360 degrees, so I get 71.78 degree for simulation. And for calculation, I use formula inverse tan times by SL over resistor R. Firstly, you have to find SL. SL formula is 1 over 2 pi frequency L. So what I get from a graph is 1 over 2 pi times 2 times 3 equal to 26.52 for SL. Then you put the value of SL into the formula, inverse tan 26 times by 26.52 over 3 is resistor. Then you will get the answer for calculation is 83.55 degree. Okay, this one also the inductance value for 6 and 10 millihertz. So the formula for simulation and calculation just same. And this one is as an example that I have done for 10 millihertz. This is the graph, and you can try it.